Edmond's new permitting, licensing, and land development portal is here to make things easy. This step-by-step should help you become familiar with the system. First, create an account. A verification email will be sent to the address used to make the account, and once verified, you can access the portal. The home page has the sidebar with quick links to Home, Create, Incomplete Applications, and Cancel Inspections. You can also modify your account and log out from the sidebar. The center of the page has 3 buttons, one for the projects, permits, and license applications you have created, the second for applications that have fees due, and the third shows you how many inspections requests your applications have. By clicking the Create New Application button, you are brought to a page to choose what kind of permit application you need. First, let's walk through a building permit. Select from the list of drop-down menus which application you need, in this case, residential new construction. At the bottom of the page, you can give the project a name. Click Next to go to the Location tab. Here you will search for the address associated with your project. If the address entered is not in Edmond, the search tool will not find the location. If you search for multiple addresses, they will be added to the Selected Addresses bar on the right. You can click on each and choose Remove Address if needed. Next, fill in the information for the applicant. You can click Add My Info to quickly add your details or fill it in manually. Click Next to search for the contractor of the project. Select the contractor associated with your project and click Add. In the Selected Contractors section below, you can verify the contractor you added. Click Next to go to the permit details and fill in the information for your project as needed. Please note, if a storm shelter or safe room is to be constructed on the property, a separate application will be required. The Summary tab lists the information entered into the application, and here you can double-check that the information is correct before proceeding. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, you will click Submit. Once submitted, a pop-up for the documents needed will appear. The documents listed must be uploaded before the application is final. Click Browse and choose the necessary documents to upload from your computer. The files will be listed and can be deleted or reordered if needed. Once all documents have uploaded, you must click the green Submit for Review button on the left. Doing so completes the application and your reference number is assigned. This number will also be listed on the home page. Once the application is submitted with all documents necessary, the building department will review it. After approval, the fees due are shown on the home page of the permit portal. The next application we will walk through is a planned unit development. Much like the one before, you will choose your type of permit application. Select the type of application from the list of drop-down menus. When planned unit development is selected, a new message will appear near the top of the page. Scroll up to read this and click to open a new browser tab. This page explains what required documents are needed to submit a PUD application. The information can be left open during the rest of the process for your reference. Give your project a name and click Next. In the People tab, you can fill in the applicant information with your current account information or choose to enter it manually. The property owner can be a different person or the same, depending on the project. Next, the Permit Details tab allows you to detail the general location of the PUD and describe why a PUD is needed. Click Next to view a summary of the information entered in the application. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Submit. Once submitted, a pop-up for the documents needed will appear. The documents listed must be uploaded before the application is final. Click Browse to choose the necessary documents to upload from your computer. Once all documents are uploaded, you must click the green Submit for Review button on the left. That completes the application, and a reference number is assigned. The final application to be demonstrated is the Occupational Tax Certificate of Compliance Alcohol, more commonly known as a liquor license. Choose the type of permit application needed. provide a project name, and click Next. In the Location tab, search for the location associated with the permit and proceed to the People tab. Here you entered your information on the left as applicant, and on the mailing address, you may choose to specify another location, such as an office. In the Licenses tab, you will input the business name with the ABLE licensing. State licenses are not required for this permit, and before continuing, type N/A in this field. Next is the permit details. You will need to specify the contact of the inspection service and the type of ABLE license. You will also enter the name of the business with an ABLE license. Choose if the location is existing or proposed, and choose the type of ownership. Click Next to view a summary of the information entered in the application. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Submit. That completes the application for Occupational Tax Certificate of Compliance, Alcohol, and a reference number is assigned. Once an application is submitted and approved on the portal, payment is needed. Navigate to the Applications and Fees Due. The application needing payment will show a credit card icon under Actions. When you click the icon, a pop-up will appear to allow you to pay the dues with your preferred payment method. Thank you for using the Permitting, Licensing, and Land Development portal.